If you are wondering if we have 3.5mm headphone jack included on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no. Usually if you're looking for the 3.5mm headphone jack, you can find it either at the top of the phone or at the bottom of it, but as you can see, the 3.5mm headphone jack is simply not included. We only have the USB-C port, and this port can be used in order to connect your wired headphones. So if you have wired headphones with a USB-C cable, then you can just simply connect these wired headphones to your OPPO Reno 15 Pro. But if you have this kind of cable, like this one over here, then in that case you need to use an adapter that looks more or less like this, where we have to convert the 3.5mm headphone jack input to USB-C cable, and then we connect it to the bottom of the phone, and then you can use your wired headphones like that. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.